Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to introduce myself. I'm Irmawati Natsir. I'm from Universitas Musamus. Now, I want to present my article titled Development of Student Worksheet Based on Blended Learning Oriented to Multiple Intelligence in Algebra. Introduction. Education in Indonesia, from elementary, secondary to higher education, mostly still refers to uniformity, where the measurement for intelligent students is only limited to the level of IQ. So, in determining the method, strategy, and media to be used, it is still rare to identify student intelligence. The development of science and technology needs to be balanced with and encouraged in human research. The ability of human research is not only seen from the ability of students to answer IQ tests, the score obtained, but also from the ability of students to face and solve problems based on their intelligence. According to Gardner, every student has a intelligence in him with different level. This intelligence include verbal linguistic, logical mathematical, visual spatial, kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist intelligence. Through multiple intelligence integrated in blended learning, students can increase independence and creativity in understanding a learning concept. For that, it is necessary to develop a worksheet that is adjusted to dominant intelligence and can be done anywhere and anytime. So, it is necessary development of student worksheet based on blended learning oriented to multiple intelligence in algebra. Research method. This development research used the AD model with 5 stages, namely analyze, design, development, implementation, evaluation. However, this research is limited to the third stage, namely analyze, design, and development. The next steps will be carried out in the following research. This research was conducted in the Department of Mathematics Education at Musamus University. This study utilized Google Classroom as an learning media used in blended learning. Result and discussion. The result of this study resulted in a worksheet student-oriented blended learning based on the dominant intelligence. The stages are analyze. The activity at this stage analyzes the algebra's master learning plan which is adjusted to the learning outcome of graduate and subject learning outcome. Furthermore, a need analysis is carried out covering facility and infrastructure to expedite the lecture process. And at this stage, multiple intelligence tests were also carried out to identify the student dominant intelligence using a talent test consisting of 80 statements given to 33 students. The result of multiple intelligence tests were obtained by 5 dominant student intelligence, namely verbal linguistic, logical mathematical, visual spatial, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. Next, design. This stage, the activity carried out are determining the material to be developed and adjusted to the dominant intelligence of the student. Doing a design related to the design of student worksheet to make it look attractive, easy to understand, and carry out in blended manner, which is divided into 4 stages and make a worksheet assessment instrument related to the content or material and design. Next, development. At this stage, the validity of the test product and the test of practicality. The validity test was carried out by the expert by giving a questionnaire containing 22 questions related to content and design. The validation test process until the validator state the student worksheet is suitable for use. The recapitulation of assessment given by two experts of the developed student worksheet can be seen in the following table. The percent of student worksheet for content or material component was obtained by 80% and for the design component by 76.7% with the criteria feasible to be used. Next, the practicality test was carried out by 5 students. The recapitulation of the practicality test result can be seen in the following table. The result of, the assessment of 5 students obtained a practicality test for the material presentation aspect of 76.4%, the display aspect was 74%, and the benefit aspect was 77.6%. With the interpretation of the quality of the student worksheet good in terms of material presentation, appearance, and benefit. Conclusion. Based on the assessment of the two validators, the device developed was suitable for use with a content or material percent of 80% and 76.7% of the design, and the result of the practicality test of the 5 students on the developed device have good quality with the percent for material presentation of 76.4%, display 74%, and benefit 77.6%. Thank you.